direction, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these.
What's up, you guys? It's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna try and recreate this look here. I'm doing this contest on Facebook, so I decided why not film a video. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video, but this is the makeup look. Yeah, if it'll focus. There you go. So that's the look I'm gonna try and do. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I'm gonna try and do it. I know some of the colors I'm going to be using is from the Morphe 3502 palette because that's a really bright orangey red. So I think I'm going to go in with a blaze first, and then I'm going to go in with fire. So I'm going to use a blaze first, which is this color here, and then I'm going to go in with fire, which is that color there. Yeah, the orange is going to be the transition color. So let me go ahead and go in with that. I'm going to try not to run this too far out. When I get off from here, I am going to Ulta, and I just can't wait. Like, I can't freaking wait. I can't wait to go to Ulta because I need to get some more concealer, and I just want to browse and see what all they have, which is a really bad idea. It's a really bad idea because we already know I'm gonna end up buying something that I probably don't even, well, I probably need it, but I don't need to buy it, if that makes sense. You know, I know I'm not the only one. I'm just gonna blend this color. Like I said, I'm gonna try not to bring it too far out here because I don't want to have no, I really should have brought a duckbill clip for my hair. Okay. So this color is orange, but it just doesn't look orange on me. It doesn't look that orange on me. But it's okay, it's just a transition color. So I'm thinking for that really deep purple color though, that I'm gonna have to end up going in with like a black gel liner and putting the purple on top of that. So I'm gonna have to end up doing that. I already know I am. So, and I'm taking it above my crease and also below, because all this is going to end up getting covered up anyway. But I just want to make sure that it's nice and blended. I really love this brush for crease colors. It's the Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. Like, this brush is really good for this, like, crease colors, transition colors, because it's nice and thick and fluffy. So I really like that about it. And I want to make sure that I have enough orange because I'm going to be using the same brush to do the red, because I just really like this brush a lot. So I'm just going to use this brush to do this look. Okay. And this orange is building up really, really, really nicely. And like I said, I'm going in circular motions. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me turn towards the camera. Ooh, my hands. Okay, so that color built up really nicely. Like, I'm really liking how that looks. See, I don't know what it is. Like, when you set your eyelids with concealer and then use translucent powder, it just comes out so much better than when I use the Sacha Buttercup, which I was explaining in one of my other videos. Okay. Okay, so the next question, what is wrong with me? The next color I'm going to go in with is fire. This color is really fire, you guys. It's really fire. So I gotta be really careful with this because this can go bad really quickly. So let me go ahead and add it on my lid. Ooh. So I'm just gonna put it in the center of my lid and then just go in circular motions. Try not to go too far past the eye because, like I said, I don't want to have colors going all the way out here like I normally do. Like, we're not doing that today. So I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing. I'm gonna build this color up until it's to the color that I want it to be. Okay, so now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to clean up the edges of this just to make sure it's not too harsh. This is just a brush that came inside of an eyeshadow kit that is made to look like the brushes that be in the Urban Decay kits. So I'm just going to use this clean brush, clean up the edges. So I'm looking at this picture. It looks like the next color she went in with is like a purple color. So I'm gonna go in with purple from my Zulu palette. And I'm gonna put that right in my crease. And then I'm gonna add the black eyeshadow because it needs to stick to something. So I'm gonna go use the purple in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. This is what it looks like. It's this purple color right here. It's a really deep, dark purple, which I like. So I'm gonna dip in the Juvia's Place purple. Now this purple is really pigmented. I think this is actually more pigmented than the crayon case. The purple color, just because like, yeah, it just applies so much better. I don't know. So I'm just applying the purple to the crease so the purple can kind of fade as it goes up. Because the color isn't going to come out as pigmented as we want until we put down that black base. And that's something that I've learned. And I'm kind of bringing it down on my lid because it's okay. Like I said, all that's going to get covered up with black eyeshadow in a few seconds. Well, not in a few seconds, but once I'm done with this, it's gonna be covered with black eyeshadow. All right, you guys, so hopefully I still have it in here. If I don't have it in here, this video's canceled. Ooh, so I'm going in with my black smudge liner and smudge liner. It's by NYX. If it'll focus. There we go, NYX liner and smudger. This is specifically for like smoky eyes, things like that. So what I'm gonna do is take a brush, this brush here. I'm gonna put the black all over my lid and then I'm gonna put the purple directly on top of that. I'm really scared like this could make or break this look. Okay, adding the black. I'm gonna do one eye at a time with this because this, like I said, you gotta add this while the base is fresh and wet. So now I'm gonna take that purple from in the Zulu palette, put it directly on top. Yes, 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 yes. That's the exact look purple I was going for. See, yeah, it would not come out like this without the black. See how deeper that purple is. That purple came out so velvety, y'all. Like, look at this. The purple came out like it's not patchy, it's not blotchy. Yes, so if you want your purples to look good, get you some gel liner, put it on first and put the purple over it. You will not be sorry. Now I'm going back in with that blending brush and a little bit more of the purple. I'm gonna blend the edges. I'm just going to be doing the same things over and over again until I get it to the desired look. All right, you guys. So I have put on my lashes. I did the same thing to the other eye, put on my lashes. Now I'm going to do the foundation. And today, I'm going back to my holy grail, my Milani Pro Mattes. You already know. You already know. Now if I can just find my setting spray. So unorganized, you guys, just so unorganized. So I'm gonna dot this all over my face. And actually, wait, I'm gonna cover my smile line real quick. I'm gonna see if I can get this smile line to not be bougie like it normally is. Let's see if we can. This looks so funny, but I'm so sick of this smile line peeking through my foundation. Like, sick and tired of it. I don't understand why it be doing me like that. I really don't. It's probably still gonna come through the moment I put my ah! Oh no! Oh my god. You guys, foundation just went everywhere. This brush is hanging on by a thread. What did I do to do your baby hairs before foundation? See, it's already peeking through. So now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is full coverage concealer, y'all. Like, this is full coverage, okay? It's really thick and creamy, which I really like. And I need to get some more. I'm really praying that when I leave here, I'm going to Ulta after I get done with this video. I'm really hoping that Ulta has more of these, because every time I go, they are out. And it makes me so angry, because I just want y'all to have it. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna set my makeup. I really want to use the Coty Airspun, but I already know it's going to turn into an ashy disaster, so I'm not even going to go there. I'm just going to use my Coty Airspun, which is, my Sacha Buttercup Old Faithful, and call it a day. So going back to the photo, I'm going to do the under eye colors, which was a green color and then it was yellow. So I'm really excited about that. Super excited. Let me go back to the photo. Yeah, it's green and then yellow. So I'm going to be using this green color. I'm going to use this sparkly green in the middle. I'm going to use this green right here because that green just looks bomb. And I forgot to bring another flat brush, so I'm gonna use this. I've wiped some of the purple off, so hopefully the purple won't show through this. I'm gonna put the green on the lower lash line. This is why I don't do makeup with contacts on, because I'm just not that good at keeping stuff out of my eye. Now I'm going to put yellow directly under this. Hopefully the yellow will show up. Now I'm going to do my highlights, which is my favorite part of doing makeup, just doing the highlight. It just doesn't get any better than that. I think I'm going to use Milani today. No, I'm going to use my ABH That Glow kit, because I haven't used it in a long time. Sorry y'all, cleaning up real quick. Cleaning up these brushes. Trying to get organized. Put that in there. Okay, so this is the That Glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use Dripping in Gold and Bubbly today. I haven't used these in such a long time. I forgot how they are. All right, y'all, I had to switch memory cards because that memory card ran out of space. Going in with Fenty Beauty on top because it's just my favorite combination. Ooh, crap, I just stuck my nail in here. I'm gonna put the NYX Sugar Pie gloss over this. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I actually really like it. Like, this is not a color combination that I would have thought on my own. This is why I like doing makeup recreations, because it gives me an excuse to go outside of my comfort zone. Yeah, I'm gonna need some lotion on these here hands because they are officially ashy. But yeah, so this gives Alright, you guys, sorry about that. I had a phone call here. So I forgot what I was saying, but what I was saying, I think, was I like doing recreations because it gives me a reason to step outside of my comfort zone and gets me to use colors that I would normally use. So I'm really excited about how this looks like. I love this green and yellow under the eyes. It really makes the look pop. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. I also want you guys to check out my fashion blog, which is www.jerikasincere.com. I want to start updating it more frequently. It is updated, like it's not old, but I want to start updating regularly and maybe doing some like regular blog journal entries like we used to do back in the day when we had MySpace and when we had Zynga. So I might start doing that. Also, don't forget to check out my travel website, which is www.sisterhoodtravel.info. This website is going to show you how you can become a travel agent like me, make extra money from home, book travel, and we are creating what we call ourselves a travel squad. So if you want more information on that, go ahead and go to my website, or leave a comment below, or go to my Facebook and send me a message. Whatever way is best for you, do that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.